we were able to get an investor funding, and they made a decision in one deal, one meeting.
Yeah.
Why? Yes, he had his stuff together, but they were both ex-military.
Right.
And just based on that, the guy was like, you know what? If I'm going to take a chance in investing in something, it's going to be a brother. Right. And so you're minority. I hate to use that word, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
You served our country.
Yes, sir.
And you've had a consistent track record of success in this country.
Yes,
Who
sir.
else deserve a better chance than get to raise 5 or 10 million? So the money is looking at your background more.